12, Midi 4, Quint 4, Battalion 3. Engine 12? Engine 12 is okay on 105 Jersey. Midi 4, Quint 4? Midi 4 and Quint 4 are okay. Okay, Battalion 3. The assignment to Jersey Street secure. Engine 12, your code name. Quint Midi 4, code 9. Quint 4, Midi 4, code 9. Attack 1 and the protectors respond. Number 105 Jersey Street for a house that exploded. It's attack 1 and protectors respond. 105 Jersey Street for a house exploded. Attack 1? Yeah, attack 1's got it. We're responding. Protectives? Dispatch to Battalion 3? Battalion 3, give me a second alarm on Jersey Street. Quint 7, engine 17, second alarm fire at an explosion, 105 Jersey Street. Midi 7, Quint 7, engine 17, a second alarm for a house explosion, 105 Jersey Street. Midi 7, Quint 7? Midi 7. Engine 17? 17 is okay in a second. Quint 7, okay. All right, Quint Midi 7, you're okay on the alarm.
Okay, on 8/1/88 at 10:45 a.m., Engine 12, Quint 4, Midi 4, and Battalion 3 received an alarm for 105 Jersey Street for a gas leak and with an attempted suicide. Engine 12 was the first company on the scene, and following Special Order 53, printed on 5/4/88, they proceed to make the hydrant in front of 105 Jersey Street, and following Special Order 53, they do not park their apparatus in front of 105. They park it approximately in this location. Quint 4, also coming in on the first alarm assignment, follows Special Order 53 and parks their apparatus at this location. Midi 4 proceeds past the building to this location. Engine 12 has now made the hydrant and laid away from 105. This is the scene prior to the explosion. Battalion 3 has not arrived on the scene yet. Approximately under 2 minutes after the first alarm assignment has arrived on the scene, 105 Jersey Street explodes in a tremendous explosion.
I looked up and I saw just houses coming down, you know, like rain. So I ran over across the street and I came to the back here and I saw a fella on fire.
I just got out from the house with baby. I was just 2 houses away from my house. It exploded, and I turned around, house it was just level.
The perpetrator of this event, Mr. Jeffrey Brown, after thorough investigation it was found, had sealed 105 Jersey Street completely airtight. He had disconnected the gas meter in the basement. He had brought in 2 acetylene tanks from his garage and brought them into the basement and released some of their contents. He brought in a 5-gallon gas tank into the basement and released their contents. He also brought in a oxygen cylinder and we believe released some of those contents in the basement. When Engine 12 and MIDI 4 came on the scene with Quint 4, they smelled gas in the area. The police, RG&E, and ambulance crews were already on the scene. The first police officer arriving on the scene realized he had a serious situation. He kept all civilian personnel and all personnel that not wearing protective clothing, including the police and RG&E workers, away from the scene. When Engine 12 arrived, Lieutenant McMiminy proceeded from Engine 12 to walk down this driveway to this location right here.
I went back to the front door first and found that was locked. So I went down the side of the house to the side door, and that also was locked. There was so much odor of gas that I decided not to force the door open so that I wouldn't create a spark accidentally and ignite it. I noticed then that there was a little sidewalk leading off the driveway at the back of the house, so I decided I'd try the back door to see if it was open.
105 Jersey Street had a front porch and a small rear porch. There was an entrance to 105 at this location, an entrance to